Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dears? All are fine? Okay. Today we are going to discuss our new chapter. What's the name of our chapter? Our chapter name is The Plaint of Camel. What's the name of our chapter? Plaint of Camel. Okay. Then we discussed our fishy tale. We studied our fishy tale and we completed all our notes and everything. Right? Yes. Okay. Then today we are going to discuss our new chapter, The Plaint of Camel. Plaint of Camel by Charles Edward Carey. Who's Charles Edward Carey. Okay. Then all of you listen. All of you read your chapter well now. Read your chapters. Read your poem. Okay. Read. Okay. All of you listen. Read with me. Canary birds feed on sugar and seed. Parrots have crackers to crunch. And as for the poodles, they tell me the noodles have chickens and cream for their lunch. But there's never a question about my digestion. Anything just for me. Lambs are enclosed where it's never exposed. Coops are constructed for hens. Kittens are treated to houses well heated. And pigs are protected by pens. But a camel comes handy. Wherever it's sandy, anywhere does for me. A snake is as round as hole in the ground, and weasels are very sleek, and no alligator could ever be straighter than lizards that live in a creek. But a camel's all lumpy and bumpy and humpy, any shape does for me. Okay, listen. Canary birds feed on sugar and seed. Parrots have crackers to crunch. And as for the poodles, they tell me the noodles have chickens and cream for their lunch. But there's never a question about my digestion. Anything just for me. Okay. It's a simple poem by Charles Edward Carey. Okay, Charles Edward Carey. Here we know that our sheep of desert complaining about his food, place, that means shelter and shade. Okay, he was complaining about his food, shade and shelter. The plaint of camel means the complaints of camel. Okay, complaints of camel. Listen. Canary birds feed on sugar and seed. Parrots have crackers to crunch. And as for the poodles, they tell me the noodles and have chicken and cream for their lunch. But there's never a question about my digestion. Anything just for me. Okay, read. Canary birds. What is meant by canary birds? A small kind of yellow bird for their beautiful song. Have you seen the picture in our page number 69? Okay, then that canary birds feed, eat sugar and seed. Okay, they want sugar and seed as their food. Okay, then parrots have crackers to crunch. What the parrots want? Parrots want crackers to crunch. That thin biscuit. Okay, that type of thin dry biscuits. Parrots want thin dry biscuits. And as for the poodles, they tell me the noodles. In the case of poodles, they want noodles. Okay, poodles means a breed of small dogs with a thick curly hair. Okay, poodles want noodles and also thick, cream and chicken. Then, but there's never a question about my digestion. That is, there is no question about camel's digestion. There is no question about camel's digestion. Then, what he said about my food. Okay, anything just for me. Okay, then I have nothing to say about my food. I can eat anything. Okay, first he complained about food by comparing with other animals. Okay, then he said that canary birds want sugar and seed. Then parrots want crackers. And the poodles want noodles and chicken and cream. And there is no question arises what the camel wants because I can eat anything. Understand? Okay, all of them have their own food. But in the case of me, that means in the case of camel, I have nothing to say about my food because I can eat anything. Okay, and I haven't a favorite food. Okay, then understood, that is the first complaint. Okay, the second one, lambs are enclosed, word is never exposed. Coops are constructed for hens. Kittens are treated to house well heated, and pigs are protected by fence. But a camel comes handy, wherever it's sandy. Any word does for me. Okay, any word. What is that? Any word. Talking about the shelter. Talking about the shelter. Okay, talking about the shelter of the camel. Another complaint. What is that? Lambs are enclosed. They are live in their enclosed, that without exposed. That means they are very safe. They are safe in their cages. Ooh, lambs. Okay, they are enclosed. Word is never exposed. They are safe in their cages. And coops are constructed for hens. And don't worry about hens because they have coops. Okay, then kittens are treated to house well heated. Then kittens have their own house treated well heated house. Kittens also have well heated house, that means kennel. Then pigs are protected by pens. Pigs also have their own shelter. Okay, that is pen. Pigs live in pen. Okay, then pigs also protected in pens. But a camel comes handy. That camel comes handy. What is the meaning of comes handy? Or you like look is of a great use. That means, but the camel, the great use animal, having shelter because camel comes handy wherever it's sandy. Anywhere does for me. What is that? Anywhere. He can go anywhere. Understood? Because he know that he can go anywhere and all its sandy places are his what? Sandy places are his shelter, his home. Understood? Then here the camel complained about what he complained about? He complained about that I have only what? I have no specific or special shelter or house. Okay, understood? First he complains about food. Then he complained about all of the animals have their own house, but I haven't. Okay. Next, a snake is as round as a hole in the ground, and weasels are wavy and sleek, and no alligator could ever be straighter than lizard that live in a creek. But camels all lumpy and bumpy and humpy, any shape does for me. Read all of you. Okay, a snake is as round as a hole in the ground. He can enter in the hole and he can lay roundly there in that hole. Understood? Because its shape is like that. And weasels are wavy and sleek. Weasels, here we have, what is weasel? Have you seen that? Yes. Weasels are wavy and it's very sleek. Okay, sleek means it's having a smooth and attractive shape. And no alligator could ever be straighter. Okay. And lizard that live in a creek. Creek means small holes. Okay, small place. Lizard also can live in a small place. But a camel is a large one, right? He couldn't live in a small place. Understood? Then, but camel are lumpy. Lumpy means hard. Camel hard and bumpy, sharp, and humpy and hump also. Okay, and shape, any shape does for me. Then any shape. Then talking about any shape, that is okay, any shape does for me means you have a suitable shape also. Okay, then the camel, he said that is well-known animal, very useful, but he having the special food. Then he having shelter and he having a special, that means he having shape also. Okay, then all of you listen, all of you read again that poem now. Read all of you. Read. Okay, then I think you understood the poem. Then we are going to discuss, answer these questions. Here are 3 statements. Which one do you agree with? Give examples for your views. The camel is complaining because it is jealous of all the other animals. Or the camel is complaining because it is sad. Or the camel is sad and jealous at the same time. Okay, all of you read the questions well. Then you can select your own option and you want to give examples also. Okay, for your opinion. Where do you think the camel sleep? What it's talking about shelter. Okay, what it's standing. Okay. What are the things that affect the camel the most? Affect 3 things we already discussed. Describe the camel's lamentation about its shape. Describe its crying. Very sadly talk about his problems. Okay, then we want to write. Describe the camel's lamentation means crying about, wailing about is shame. Then all of you listen. Surely I think it's better to write your own. These answers you want to write your own. Okay, in your notebook and submit me today itself. Then B. Think and answer. Despite the entire poem being the complaints of the camel, it is still funny. Do you agree or not agree? Okay, give reasons of your answer. That means you want to write. Okay, surely you want to write one paragraph for this question. Work in pairs. Discuss with your partner. Okay, then we can discuss. All of you listen. The camel can eat anything, live in any place, have an odd shape. Is it bless or curse? We can say, to an extent we can say it's a bless, because he was living in that kind of surroundings, right? Everything, and he can overcome all the problems because of this everything. Okay, then next, would you rather be a camel than a chicken or a fox or a rabbit? Say why you think so? Okay, that's you can write your own. Okay, then all of you must read your chapter well and write the question answers and submit me today itself. Okay, here we have only 3 points in this poem, in the complaint of camel. It's a complaint of camel, and he talked about his food, then he talked about shelter, then he talked about shade. Then he said that all the persons, that means all animals in the world, they have their own interest, their own way of living and everything, specialized in something or everything. But here, in the case of camel, he was live alone in that desert, and he have no specialization and no special interest and anything. Okay, that's only in the poem. To an extent we can call it sometimes it's jealous of our camel by thinking about other animals. Okay, anyway, you want to read the poem well and find out the question answers and send me today itself. Okay, don't forget. Okay, my dears, thank you.